Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at this Volkswagen Crafter. It's a 2020 model. This should work for all Crafters 2017 onwards. Now the guy's been noticing that his engine management light is staying illuminated while he's driving, and also it's taking a couple of seconds longer than normal to start. It always does start, but it just cranks over a little bit longer. Now what I've noticed from a code read is that we've got a fault code to do with the glow plug control module. So the purpose of this video is to just show you where that is. I'll show you the code you're looking for. If we go in there and autel, we've got glow plug control module, and yeah, that's up. That's present all the time. And I'll show you where the glow plug module is. Sometimes it can mean you've got a glow plug breaking down as well. So you need to really test your glow plugs, make sure they're working. If you're happy that they're working, then you can pretty safely say that your module is going to be faulty. Now I've already replaced the module on this one, and as you can see, the fault code's cleared, no code's present anymore. Just cycle the ignition, read the codes again, no code's present. So that's because I've already replaced mine now. I wasn't able to delete that code previous to replacing it. So what you need to do is, it's quite a simple part to change. Obviously have your bonnet open and you're looking towards the right hand side of the engine bay here. If you look for the red positive battery terminal and you just go behind that, and you'll see this is the glow plug relay, the glow plug control module here. It's got one plug on it, and it's got one 10mm nut, and all easily accessible. So yeah, there's a part number on there. You can, I think it's a Bosch unit. You can get it obviously from Volkswagen as well. And yeah, so that solved my issue. I think it's probably a reasonably common thing to go wrong. So yeah, just look out for this red terminal, the positive battery terminal, and you're just tucked in behind there. So yeah, simple enough to change, nice easy job. Hope this has helped some of you, and I'll see you in the next video.